This is the boot screen, and notice that the startup is in for Linux Mint 4.0 KDE. This is a Debian installation, and on a Debian install, this will search for your other operating systems and find them and put them in your menu list file. The Linux Mint screen also contains a recovery mode and a memory test mode. After the startup screen, you receive other operating systems. Notice here we are in Windows XP Media Center Edition mode, and then we're in the recovery mode for Windows. This is PCLINUXOS 2007. It's set up on device 6. This is the recovery mode for the same operating system, and the failsafe mode for that. This is Ubuntu. This is the Feisty Fawn edition of Ubuntu. And in order to reach this, once you get to the screen, you type in reboot to continue booting into a X Windows session. This is the recovery mode for Ubuntu. And there are two different kernels, as Ubuntu Feisty Fawn has been updated several times, and it will automatically create and install new kernels as they're added. This is the PC Flexbox, and this is also on device HD8. This is a recovery mode for Flexbox. This is Slackware 12.0. Slackware, when it installs, will install the Lilo bootloader, and that is why you would want to use another install to get this menu item added to your grub menu list files. This is Ubuntu Hardy Heron, and it also you have to use reboot to get into it. Hardy Heron currently on this machine will not boot into anything but a low resolution mode. This is Mandriva Linux 2.08 and the failsafe mode of Mandriva. This is a Studio 64, but this is the 32-bit version for a Multimedia 486 machine. This is on hard drive 2, partition 21. This is SUSE Linux Enterprise Desktop 10 Service Pack 1. This is better known as SLED 10. This is Pioneer Linux system, a very interesting system with many new features. And this is Debian New Linux 2.06. This is specifically for the AMD 64 chip. This is on device HD8, and this one is our last item. You'll notice there are 37 different lines. Now we will now select one, and just for the heck of it, let's select Pioneer. Alright, Pioneer's been selected, and you'll notice we have the boot up sequence in Pioneer. One of the disadvantages of having many different operating systems is that the system will often check to find out, like if you don't, every time you load up the system, every once in a while it'll have to run fzip manually, and this can take a long time to get going. Notice here that I did have to use the reboot command to get it to continue on into Pioneer. Finally, the password is being asked for. What? Have I got my caps lock key on? Oh, I typed the wrong password. And there we have it. A computer right now capable of loading 13 different operating systems off of 2 different hard drives. Thank you.